Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I will be showing you how you can create a thread on Twitter. So you're just going to press this plus button over here on the bottom right corner of your screen. And I'm just going to write hello. And as you can see, there is this plus button over here. And this is where you can add another tweet, hi. And you're just going to do that of course, with whatever you want to say, like whatever you want to create on Twitter. I'm just going to say hello, hi, and hey, and like hi. And you're just going to keep on adding to it until you make a full thread. For instance, you want to like write a story like about an experience or something. You can do that, like about a horror experience. But once you're done, you're just going to finish with the last one, and you're now going to press tweet all. And as you can see, there's like this thread. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!